In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Figma to Wix Studio plugin. This handy tool can really streamline your workflow if you're working to bring your designs from Figma into Wix Studio with a few simple clicks. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to make the most of this plugin. First, launch your web browser and type in Figma's URL. If you're not already familiar, Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that's known for its robust design features that make creating complex designs a breeze. Once the Figma page loads, navigate directly to the login area and enter your credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Figma. Here, you'll see options like recents and sharing, which help you manage your projects effectively. Now it's time to move to the design stage. On the Figma homepage, look for the option labeled Design. Click on it to start working with your project designs. If this is your first time, you can play around a bit here to get comfortable with the design environment. Once you're satisfied and you have the design you want to transfer to Wix, it's time to leverage the power of the Figma to Wix Studio plugin. Go to your Figma Actions bar and look up Figma to Wix. When you type this in the search bar, you'll see a selection of plugins, but the one you want is specifically named Figma to Wix Studio. Click on it and you'll notice a user-friendly interface that lets you run this plugin seamlessly. This integration is what makes transitioning from design to functional web elements quick and efficient. Once you have the correct plugin displayed, you're just a click away from beginning the magic transition. Click on Run, and this action will initiate the process of converting your Figma designs into a format compatible with Wix Studio. By running this plugin, you're essentially paving the way for an easy and error-free transfer of your complex Figma designs into the versatile Wix platform without having to code from scratch or deal with compatibility issues. As a tip, it's always a good idea to double check your Figma design before you run the plugin to ensure that everything is laid out exactly as you want it to appear on your website. It can save you some time by preventing any need to go back and make alterations. And there you have it, a straightforward process to enhance your web design workflow. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you use this plugin, the more you'll learn to appreciate its flexibility and efficiency. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.